Yes, welcome everybody here at Kigali Convention Center. Bro, iyi ni Kigali my dear, iyi ni Kigali na hari roundabout hano kuri Kigali Convention Center. Like murabizi ko bahakure upgrade, upgradinze, so nukuvuga handi hari umumama afite umwana, hari n'amazi. No, that's a new upgrade. It's amazing, like, so aya n'amazi. Aya ngaya n'amazi my dear, aya n'amazi. Aha ni mu Rwanda bro. Iyi ni Kigali my dear. Look. So that's amazing. Nice one, achievement proof bro. Iyi ni Kigali. Show. Look the city, yeah, bro man. Niba utaragera hano mu Rwanda my dear, uri mu gihombo, uri murahomba yeba umva. Nukuvuga ngo Noheli ahangaha no kurya show mpaka mu gitondo papa. You see? Look. Again, murakaza neza kuri Double 7 TV nkuko muri kwibona. Ahangaha turi ni kuri Kigali Convention Center. Mr. Birori ndahari kubwanyu. I love you so much. Ndabakunda. Mumbe hafi. Ngiye kubakorera ibyo shoboye kuba nakora. Murabizi turaba turi kumwe cyane yaba kuri live stream. I think I got it. I can show, I can do it here. I can. That is very better Kigali series. Look. So is that sort of kind of vibe here? So anga rero nahagiye navuga ko like nahagiye kubera I think reka mbyite igitaramo. Oh my dear, reka mbyite igitaramo, reka mbyite show, reka mbyite nkaho tugiye guhurira like mwijoro ribanziriza Noheli. That's Kigali. Iyi ni Kigali my dear. Look, check the city. Look. That's the city. Look, check. Wow, you muri kubona reba amabara, see the colors. Look, that's Kigali city, bro. Look. Check the color here. Look. Yeah, that's how iniko stage no kumukira imeze. Look, check the color. Look. Check. Rwanda uri nziza, umeka amahoro, ibyiza bigutatse Rwanda ni byinshi cyane sinabivuga ngo mbirangize. Rwanda niki cyane sinabivuga ngo mbirangize. Yes, I think it's this outfit as how is. So rero nagira mbereke like how Kigali Convention Center roundabout is. So ndabatumiye mukanya I think saa 4. Okay, mukanya saa 4 I think ndabashiriraho live stream. Hope that ko turaba turi kumwe kuri live stream. That's Noel bro. That's very Christmas. Okay, I love you so much my dear. I'm a subscriber, my likers. So that's how our outfit is. Look, check out the image. Check out the image here. Look, that's how it is. Very very nice, my dear. That's very nice. Check the art. Check.